All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown on my NAS 100 signal alert, as well as my US 30 dirty 30. Today was an awesome day. Today actually would have been a fucking monster day if I held much longer, but that's okay because nobody was broke taking profits. This morning, market started off a little bit choppy. At one point, I was going to stop out, but held through it. Saw this setup. It was solid. It was a solid setup today with NAS 100. $25,000 in profit. Fucking monster move. But I decided I am going to start taking smaller lot sizes so I can show you guys that you don't need a big account to make big profit, right? If you took 0.05 lots with NAS 100 today, you could have easily made $500, a minimum of $500. That is life-changing money for you guys, right? So with that being said, let's dive in today's trade recap video. As always, I put up the signals here in my private VIP Telegram group. If you guys are ever interested in joining that, it's going to be the very first link below this YouTube video where you can come, take my signals, learn off of them, and basically just have an extra set of eyes on the overall market. So two signals today. Both of them hit, all three take profits. The very first one was obviously NAS 100. What I liked about this one is that we had a big non-stop push to the upside. We're basically hitting this zone, looking for obviously our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Basically want to see it come down. That was NAS 100. And then US 30 was a little bit more of a chase with this one. We had a nice strong push up. Basically, we're looking for it to come towards that final take profit 3, that moving average. This is obviously our entry. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Looking for it to come down. Fast forward here. Let's just jump fast forward all the way to the very end. You'll basically see that what happened with US 30 is that the market opened and she basically dropped towards take profit 1 right away. She did hit take profit. She did have a nice little pop to the upside, failed that moving average, and then came down and hit all three take profits before she pushed back up again. Tested that same entry where you could have easily jumped it again, and then sold all the way off over 1,000 pips with that one. And then obviously US 30 dirty 30. This one, when the market opened, she did pop, right? I'm not going to make this shit up. She did pop, but instantly had that weakness, and then boom, we flushed, hit all three areas to take profit, flushed even more, flushed even more, flushed even more before she pushed up, tested take profit 3, and then boom, Bob's your uncle, sold off the rest of the day. Look at the bigger chart, bigger time frame here. NAS 100. This is why I really like this one from a sell standpoint, right? As I mentioned, it was pushing up, right? Because what happened was it had a gap down. It failed. It basically tried to close that gap, but just boom, that was it. End of story. US 30. Basically, with yesterday's news, right? So yesterday, everything sold off hardcore, pushed up, came down. So basically, I was looking for it to, basically fail at this resistance level right here. This was my nearest resistance zone level. So basically, looking for it to fail here, sell off, and that's exactly what she did. So easy peasy. That's it. Two signals, two alerts today. Trying to catch some Forex pairs here for my members more and more. But obviously, we're coming each and every single day to the market, nailing US 30 and NAS 100. Nobody goes broke taking profits. So that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it helps and educates you in some shape, way, and form. As always, if you guys are interested in being part of my VIP Telegram group, it is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.